everyone, it's Casey over here from Casey's Corner. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe. And to all of you who just joined, thank you, and I hope you really stay. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get started into the makeup tutorial. So let's go. So the first thing I'm going to be using is the all-in-one Insta Blur primer from the Body Shop. So I'm just going to be applying it all over my face using my fingertips. This is like a gel formula, so you just literally have to put it onto your skin and just press it in. Now we're going to move on to foundation. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay All Nighter Foundation. There's the concealer now, and I haven't actually gotten it yet. I really want to, but for now I just use the ones I have. So, yep. Just applying it with my beauty blender. Okay, I'm going to actually take the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer, and I'm just going to apply it under my eyes, on my nose, and on my chin, and just blend that in. And also I'm going to apply it onto my eyelids as well. I don't use eyeshadow primer, I kind of just use my concealer to prime my eyelids. Okay. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to bake under our eyes, and for this I'm using the PS Instagirl rice powder. I'm just going to place some in the tub and apply it under my eyes. This is a little bit messy, so yeah, just a warning that it can get messy. So I'm just going to leave the tub open because then I'm going to just powder my face to set everything in place. But in the meantime, I kind of like doing my brows, and for the brows today I'm using the Soap & Glory Archery eyebrow pencil. So yeah, I'm just going to take my mirror and fill them in quickly. So this makeup tutorial is for all of you who are, you know, either in a relationship or you are single. It doesn't really matter, you know, like you can go out and have a lovely girls' night out, or else if you have a boyfriend you can go and have a nice day out. It just, you know, it doesn't matter. For Valentine's this year, I'm actually flying back to Malta, so that's cool. And we're going to a restaurant, so yeah. I'm looking forward to it and to seeing Luke as well, I guess. Because I haven't seen him in a month. And I'm gonna get my brows done when I go back to Malta, so yeah. I'm horrible at doing my brows, oh my god. Something I still have to like get better at. And the next thing I'm going to use to set my brows is basically my Max Factor Brow Gel. I just love this. I can't compare with anything else. So that's set. And then we're just going to take a big fluffy brush and fluff off the powder. Okay. And then, like I said, I'm just going to take the excess and put it all over my face. So now we're going to do our eye makeup. And for eye makeup, I'm actually going to be using the Dream Street Kathleen Lights collaboration she did with Colourpop. So I'm going to be using this palette, and so excited because it's my first time using this palette. So here is the palette. So pretty. It's so small though. It's like really tiny. And we don't get a mirror with it, but it just comes like this. So I'm just going to zoom you in, and we're going to start with our eyes. So we're going to start by obviously applying a crease shade like I always would. The first shade we're going to use is this one right here, which is called Magical, I think, because I don't know how how the names are, so I think it's Magical, but I'm not 100% sure because the names are not written underneath the shadow. And I'm just going to be applying it onto my crease. I'm gonna try and push it further up than I normally would. Just taking some more and just building up the color. I'm trying to put it as high up as I can. Now I'm going to take, I think it's called Shooting Star. Not 100% sure, but it's this one right here. I don't know if it's like Shooting Star or Twinkle. I think Shooting Star though. It sounds more like a shooting star shadow. And I'm just going to place it underneath the shadow I just applied and just take it into my crease. Next we're going to take this shade, which is Potion. I think it's Potion. So this red shade, and I'm going to take it using a different brush. I just don't know what brush. I'm just going to take Potion and just apply it to my outer corner and creating sort of a V. Like that. And then I'm going to try and build up the color. And then taking the shadow, the brush that I used before, I'm just gonna blend that inwards. Okay, so something like that. And I'm gonna do this same thing on the other side. And again, I'm gonna take the same thing, the same brush we used before, and just blend it inwards. So now I'm gonna take a smaller brush, and I think this is the, no, we have no name, this is like an eBay brush probably. And I'm gonna take Elfish. Is it Elfish? I'm going to take this one, which is a dark purple. I'm just going to apply it onto my outer corner as well, so but more further out. I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. Take yet again the same brush and just blend everything together. I'm going to attempt to cut the crease. So this is my second time doing it. So I'm just going to put some on my palm. I don't want to do the same mistake I did last time. I applied too much. So. And then what I did is I flipped the brush and kind of blended out where the cut crease meets the shadow. And just smoothed everything over. Okay, now doing the same thing on the other side. Now I'm going to take a Luxe Classic Shader brush from Zoeva, and I'm going to apply, I think this one. This one looks really pretty. And I think it's the one called Sweet Dreams. So I'm going to use that one. And just apply it all over this flat shaded brush, sort of. And first I'm going to see how it applies onto the concealer, and then if I want more of a boom in your face look, I'll just apply some primer to it. It's actually very pretty. So now I'm going to take a brush like this, which is very small, and I'm going to actually apply Moony onto my inner corners. And then also onto my waterline. And then I'm going to take the shade we used before, which is Shooting Star, and just apply it onto the middle part of my waterline. On my lower lash line anyways. And then just applying the final shade, which is Potion, onto my outer corners. And finally, Elfish, which I really like. Which kind of meets the outer corner. So that's done. Really love this palette. It's a must-have. The shadows are a bit powdery, but that's fine. And I found that Elfish was a little bit slightly more difficult to blend, so that's fine. Okay, so I'm going to do my lashes, and for mascara today I'm going to be using the Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara, which is one of the brand new ones. And I'm also going to curl my lashes using my Eyebrow curler, lash curler, I guess. Okay. So that's my lashes done, and I also applied my mascara to my bottom lashes as well. What's next? So I'm just going to apply some bronzer, and for bronzer today I'm going to be using the Essence Luminous Matte Bronzing Powder, which is this, and I just absolutely love this bronzer. It's like second compared to my butter bronzer from Physicians Formula. Okay, just put on my forehead as well. Okie dokie, that's the bronzer done. And now for blush, I'm actually using the Makeup Revolution blush palette. It's this one right here. Once I get it open, I'll show it to you guys. Okay, if you're doing my nails, I swear, I will kill you. And it's this one right here. It's so pretty, isn't it? So I'm going to actually use this one. Yeah, I fell in love with these two. So I'm going to mix these two shades together, and we'll see what we'll create. Okay, for highlight I'm using this one, the Makeup Revolution Liquid Highlighter in the shade Liquid Starlight. Oh, love this highlighter. Love it, love it, love it. So we're just going to apply some, okay. Ooh, some on my nose, over here. Okay, so we're just going to use Beauty Blender, and hopefully everything will be fine. I'm just going to do that first, and then use the Beauty Blender. And I just kind of use my hands. Okay. Okay, and I kind of forgot to highlight underneath my brow bone, and I'm going to do that using the Moony shade that I used before from the Dream Street palette. So highlight's done, everything's done apart from lips. So for lips I kind of have two. I actually got this palette. I forgot if I should use it or not. Should I? I'll use it. This is the MUA Prism Jelly Highlighter palette, which is like this. So pretty, isn't it? And I'm actually going to use this shade in the middle. with my fan brush. So we're just going to get that with my fan brush and just apply it onto the cream highlight, on the liquid highlighter. Oh yeah, it'll be popping even more on Valentine's Day. Okay, so what was I saying? I have two lipsticks I want to use, but, well, I only can use one, like duh. It's either this one, it's Dreamy. These are the Kathleen Lights Colourpop collaboration as well, because I love Kathleen Lights and I have to get both of them. I also got the gloss as well. Today we're going for a matte look. And this one is Reaver. I don't know which one to put. Which one should I put? Oh god. I should start with this one because I'm not 100% sure if I like this. So let me just see how this would look. No. No, this is not good. So Reaver is out of the question. I don't know, I don't like how it would look with it. So I'm just going to use Dreamy. So I'm just going to take this off. So I'm back and I took that off because it was too bright of a color to go with such a makeup look. And I think this one, I guess, is like a typical Valentine's Day cutesy color. This is an ultra satin lip, so it's not matte. So I'm just going to apply this. It smells so nice. Ah, so pretty. Ignore my dry lips because right now it's like so dry. They're like so dry. Okay, this lipstick is so easy to apply with that doe foot applicator. Is just amazing. So I'm just gonna take off my band, fix my curly hair because I curled it. By the way, I curled my hair using what are they called? Rollers. You know, those rollers that you leave on overnight. And I bought a packet from Primark and they were like £1. And I was like, it's better than, you know, I guess using heat on my hair. So this is the finished look. I really hope you like it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, obviously press subscribe. If you recreate this look, make sure to tag me on my social media, and if you have any comments, definitely leave them down below. Again, this makeup tutorial is not for just those people who have a Valentine's Day date or are in a relationship. It's for everybody, you know, be it if you're going to have a girls' night out, be it if you're going to go out anywhere, not even on Valentine's Day. But I thought, you know, I would just do a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial because I do one every single year, and this is my third one so far. So I'm really happy, like going back and seeing all my Valentine's Day makeup tutorials. I think I'm getting better. I don't know, you be the judge of that, of course. But yeah, I just want to say that I hope you all have a lovely Wednesday, no matter, you know, what you are. No matter if you're single, no matter if you're in a relationship, just have fun, just enjoy it, and just make sure to spend it with people who you love and who you trust and you just feel safe with, I guess. So yeah, so I hope you all have a lovely day. Hope you have a lovely Valentine's Day. Be sure to eat lots of chocolates because I'm going to be doing that just the same. And I'm going to be in Malta as well, so I'm going to be eating Maltese food. Love it. Love it, so excited. So yeah, and thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. Thank you for commenting on my videos. Thank you for everything that you do, guys. So yeah, just gonna go now and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Also, this week it's slightly different because, as you notice, I posted a video on Monday. I hope I post this on Monday. So my next video will be out on Friday. So be sure to check out my channel on Friday because there will be my regular weekly video on Friday. This was like a bonus video. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go now. Bye.